Hey friends, let me show you a ponytail hack that you'll absolutely love it. So let's get started. We will use a rubber elastic. I like to double them. So basically you want to collect your hair, making sure everything is nice and smooth, and then fixing your rubber elastic. You want to wrap your elastic around it, and grabbing this loop, you want to grab your first section of your elastic and bring it through the loop of the elastic, and then with this loop you want to tie a super simple ponytail like you normally do. This way you'll prevent any bumps or unraveling on your ponytail. Then you want to bring your fingers through your elastic like that, and then grabbing a section beneath this ponytail, and you want to wrap it around the elastic to hide it once or twice. Bring the ends through the elastic like that, and then you want to move your section underneath, and your ponytail is ready. Try it please and let me know your thoughts about it. Bye.